Hi guys, it's Rob again. Another video for lights I will be putting in. I'm going to probably use these as long range fog lights. I'm going to tint them in yellow. This was bought maybe 2 years ago or a year ago as a Christmas present, and I don't remember. As you can see, they're only 30 watts. They're made by Nilight. And there's two pieces in this box. I think they cost about $70 Canadian on Amazon.ca. I'll put a link down below. As in my previous videos you've seen, I'm going to be installing this aux beam panel today too. I'm just making a separate video for these lights, just opening them up. They will be installed probably another day because I have to make a bracket on my ARB bumper. It will be underneath somewhere. So here's one of the lights. Sorry about the mess in my back of my Jeep here. It's always doing stuff. It's a little pickup in a sense, and it always has my crap in here. So there's the light. Really nice design. Not like the big square ones that you normally see. This is a 7-inch wide light. The only gripe I have, because I have opened this before, is the mounting hardware is just left and right arms. They give you short ones and they give you long ones. So as far as I understand, there's no L-shaped bracket or like a C-shape, should I say. So yeah, we'll have to make some bracket for this, and then I'm gonna put a film on this to make it orange or yellow or something, so it won't light up the sky and the snow and the rain. We get 300 days of rain in BC. That's where I am at. So there you go. And of course, yeah, these lights are not with any ends, but that's okay. I got some plugs and we'll get some cords and we'll get this mounted. And then, yeah, the second light. Now I do see they threw in a little card here. Hey, 2-year warranty. I guess it's sad in the box. It's got a 2-year warranty in the box, so that's going to help a lot. No big deal. Not the end of the world. Lights can cost a lot, as we all know. KC lights, I would love to have them, but you can't change bulbs. Now my P is I can. One of them went, but the light output is no comparison to LEDs now. So, and even KC doesn't make it replaceable. And they've had problems. I know with their dual light ones, I can't remember which model. The left light always goes out, and if it's after warranty, then not much help there. So we'll see how these last, if water gets in. If they do, you know what, they didn't cost a lot, and I can always open them up on the side and silicone it or something, and that'll be it. But supposedly they're good lights too. So yeah, let's get that installed. Probably that one will be delayed. I'm going to be putting the aux beam ones on first. Still want to get some pot lights or ditch lights from aux beam. They have a 3-inch square 4 LED one that looks nice. But yeah, this was a gift, but the other ones were purchased by me, and the switches. So hopefully everything works out. Wish me luck.